Hey guys, this is Jesus here with Jesus Auto Styling. So I just got this bumper repainted and I was going to show you guys a method of how to remove it without removing your wheels and tires. So I have this little tool right here. You can buy it in AutoZone or anywhere. Has Torx bits, Phillips, anything. There's a Phillips here and a Torx here you can get to. So as you can see, you have room in here, you know, to fit it in here and get these out. There's also one up here. Besides the corners, there's about, I believe, about 12 on the bottom, which you're able to get to if you just go down, or if you have some of these race ramps I have, you can just load up the car on these and give you that extra room to get in there. And once you remove this side over here, there is the connection for the bumper right here in the back. But other than that, that's all the connection there is in there.
And all you used was this tool.
Yep, just
to take off the entire bumper.
Yeah, just this tool.
That is so cool.
Yep, you're able to get in there, get in the bag. Maybe on the bottom you can use a ratchet because you have more room to get in there. But this one saves you a lot of time just getting in here without having to remove the wheels too. So.
And without having to do anything else.
Yeah, correct.
That is amazing.
Yeah, and I know, like you said, there's another video if they want to see how to unplug it, but there's just one plug and everything else. Usually I'll tape this up and all this is just clipped on. If you have an extra hand, just pull it all together and it comes out perfectly.
That's awesome. We didn't see a video on YouTube for it, so thank you so much for sharing with it to help anyone. Like you heard, guys, he did everything with one tool. He was able to do it without lifting the car, taking the wheels off, which was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you, Zeus.
Thank you.